Hey friends, in today's video I'm going to show you this pretty cool trick which is known as show row differences in Excel. This feature is useful if you need to find differences within your cells. For this example, I have a grid of numbers where all of it is captured as rows. So it's just simply 3, 4, 5 and it's going down. And if there was like a hidden number, say for example this was like 8 and you had to identify that difference, I wouldn't want you to be just scurrying through there. There is a quick way to do this and I'm going to show you exactly how straight after this break. Friends, welcome back. Let me show you how you use this row differences feature. So first thing you have to do is select your array of data. So I'm going to select the grid that I have. So it goes all the way down to here. Once you have it selected, you are going to go with the keyboard shortcut Control and G. Brings up this box. You are going to go to Special, and for today we're using row differences. Alternatively, you can use column, but for the purpose of today's exercise, it is row. And you press OK. What Excel does is temporarily selects the differences. What I like to do is give it a color. So let's just go up here and name it green. And there you go. We have all the differences displayed very clearly in the whole grid. The alternative was columns, and that obviously will show the differences between the columns. For this instance today, we are working in rows. That's it today. So if you found this tutorial useful and you can find it practical in somewhere in your daily life, please let me know how you use it, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe, like this video, hit the bell, and have a look through some of the other videos I have on Excel tutorials. Other than that, I wish you all the best for the day and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.